Hello, everyone. Welcome to week 4. Week 4, chapter 7 and 8. Preparing a speech, giving a speech. It's really great information in this chapter. Be sure, or chapters actually, 2 chapters, much like we have in a lot of these course content sections. Be sure to look at the lecture. I also have a really cool video on stage fright, which is something a lot of people have. It's a TED Talk. I think it's super helpful. Take a look at that as well. Tips on a presentation. I have a folder here. You can look at stage fright, PowerPoint, getting in front of people for public speaking, APA formatting for PowerPoint presentations, which we'll talk about more in the future in regards to APA format. So don't look too terribly much at that, and we'll have that as a review. But you can take a brief look at it if you're interested. It's not something that we're going to have a test on right now. Homework for chapter 7 and 8 is due. Remember, you can take this multiple times, so be sure to do your homework. And then you also have a discussion post. Remember, your reply needs to be by Sunday at midnight, and your initial post needs to be by Wednesday at midnight. Screencast-O-Matic. It's what I use to deliver presentations, of course, over a virtual setting. This is what I'm using now to record this information. It's just a little information on how in the future you can record yourself in a lecture or record yourself in a way to give a presentation. And we have an APA paper and presentation due in a while, right? We still have to review that. So this is one of the ways that you can record yourself talking about your paper once you finish it. Just some ideas here. If you need anything, don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, we have homework and discussion posts this week. Be sure to look at the full-on chapter reviews that I have posted, and be sure to look at the TED Talk as well. Thanks so much. Hope you have a great week.